Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Chrysler 200LX. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white. It looks awesome. You got that Chrysler badging up front there with your projector-style headlights right there. And coming all the way around to the side of the vehicle, we do have our 17-inch rims with our tires there. They look awesome, lots of tread on them. You do also have your mirrors hanging out right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your Chrysler and 200 badging. You can open it up just right here. And there is a ton of room back here. You can fold those seats forward as well. And you can fold this guy up, and you do have your pump just underneath there in case you needed it. We got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our button to open up the trunk and the panic there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so as long as the key is on our person and it's locked, we just put our hand in there and it will unlock for us. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got a handle here and some storage down here. It looks awesome in here as well. The seats are very comfortable. The cloth is very nice and soft. And up here you do the controls of your lights, so you're off, on, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control, and you do have your trunk control there as well. And up here we do have the controls of the turning signals and the high beams. Let's start her up, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. And right in the center it does tell us our kilometers, which is 20,000, not too bad at all. You also have the temperature outside and our speedometer there. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, audio, messages, screen setup, settings, and back to the speedometer. Now that is control from right here with your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. And back here we do the controls of the windshield wipers. Right over here we do have our radio, so we do have our AM, FM, and all that guy right in there. And then you got your media tab right here if you have one hooked up, info, ABC, your presets down here, volume up and down with the power, your skips and mute and all that, audio, menu back, and your tuner and browser there. Down here we do have the power up and down with the circulation. You have your temperature control with your AC, traction control, hazard lights, and your mode. Gear shift is right here, so you just put your foot on the brake and turn it. And then we do have our parking brake right there. In the center you do have your cup holders, and this guy does slide back, and you do have a USB and aux cord plug-in just down there. Got your armrest, doubles as a storage container, lots of room in there. And then over here we do have our locking glove box. Looks fantastic, lots and lots of room. And up top you do have your lights and your sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, another handle here, control of your windows, and some storage down there. It looks awesome back here as well, very spacious. You can seat 5 people all together, and you can fold this guy down if you didn't need the one in the middle. And you got an armrest with some cup holders, and you do have access to the back there. And to fold these seats forward, you just pull this guy and fold them down just like that, so you have even more room. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Chrysler 200LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.